Hi guys, so if you have any cats in the house, please be careful and don't leave your money out anywhere they can reach it, or that's what gonna happen. It's 50 pounds, it's 50 Egyptian pounds, and as you can see, it's like he chewed it, he ate it, just like, what are you doing, what are you playing with? And found 50 pounds in his mouth. So kindly don't leave any money out or they're gonna destroy all of your money. It was my mistake. I had something today and I left it on the table, and that's what happened. Like, okay, thank you, Gaffer. Thank you. I don't know if the bank is gonna take it back, like change it for me, but it's kind of a shock. But I'm happy it's not 200 pounds anyway. Yeah.